Good morning, everyone. My name is Pradyumna Pradhan, and in this presentation, I'm going to discuss about two emerging technologies, respectively, uh, generative AI and quantum computing. And with regards to this, we'll be looking into different companies that use them and their applications. So, first off, why emerging technology matters today. First of all, the market growth for global AI market has reached about $600 billion in 2025 and is projected to exceed more than 1.3 trillion by 2030. Now, the business adaptation is that 71% of the businesses currently use generative AI, and about 92% of CEOs plan to increase their AI investment. Now, talking about the industry revolution, quantum computing has revolutionized diverse industries from advancing drug discovery to complex financial modeling. And with reference to problem solving, these technologies offer unprecedented capabilities to solve complex problems that traditional method cannot address. Now, let's talk about generative AI. Sorry. Generative AI that's been revolutionizing creativity and automation. All right. So the company we have spotlighted is OpenAI, and the problem is that businesses struggle to consistently generate high content and automate complex time-consuming tasks efficiently. Now, the solution for this is that OpenAI has developed advanced GPT model that is capable of generating human-like text, automating tasks in writing, coding, and customer services. The application is, I mean, the application for this is that companies like Microsoft integrate OpenAI's GPT into Office 365 to provide AI powered writing, assistant, and code generation, significantly boosting the user's productivity. And the impact of this is that Microsoft reportedly said that substantial increase has figured in users' engagement and productivity gains across millions of users, streamlining workflow and enhancing output qualities. Now, generative AI in action, as you can see in the image, uh, has assisted in action, saving time, enhancing communication by suggesting and completing email drafts. Now, let's talk about company, another emerging technology, quantum computing, which has been unlocking new frontiers in problem solving. And the company we've taken for this is Quantum Motion Technologies. It is a drug discovery company. And the problem with this is that traditional computers are insufficient at stimulating complex molecular integration, which is critical for drug discovery. And quantum motion technology applies quantum computing in stimulating molecules that uh, which are in quantum level, which drastically accelerate drug development. And through this collaboration, the application is that with pharmaceutical companies, they aim to reduce drug discovery timeline from many years to about say months. And the impact of this has seen in early trials demonstration significant potential to cut development cost and expedite the delivery of vital new medicine to the market. Now, let's talk about quantum computing simulation. Now, quantum computing enables unprecedented uh, precisions in drug discovery by simulating a molecular interaction in their most fundamental level. Now let's talk about AI versus quantum computing. Now generative AI excels in language, creativity, and automation. However, it impacts millions daily through content generation and intelligent assistance and focuses on cognitive tasks and data analysis. However, the quantum computing tackles complex scientific and optimizes problems, operates beyond the reach of classical computing power, and specializes in simulations, cryptography, and complex data structure. And both now if we talk about both this technology, they complement each other, driving innovation across diverse industries and expanding the boundaries of what is possible. Now, embracing the technology, the future of it, like why we need to embrace these technologies for the future. First of all, for the necessity of competitive advantage. I mean, company leverage this technology to gain a significant competitive edge and solve critical challenges more efficiently. The second point has to be breakthrough ahead. I mean, expect revolutionary breakthrough in healthcare, finance, creative industries, and many more beyond and as adoption grows. Integration is the key. The crucial question is how quickly you will integrate these game-changing tools in your business strategy. You know? And finally, innovate boldly, which means innovating boldly and collectively shapes a smarter, faster, and more creative future for everyone. Thank you, everyone, for patiently listening to my presentation. I hope this presentation provided a valuable insight to the exciting world of generative AI and quantum computing. Thank you very much. My name is Pradimna Pradhan, and I sign out.